welcome back to my channel. I'm Latha and I'm from Karnataka. So today also I'm making one more request video which is requested by Mr. Piyush. You can see his comment here. So he requested for Akki roti and the ragi roti. So today I'm making a video of Akki roti, ragi roti. I'll making it the next video. So this rice flour is homemade flour, not from the shop or something. We cleaned it properly and dried it in the sunlight and grinded it. So this is the rice flour. I'm taking 2 cups of rice flour. So along with these ingredients, this curry leaves, adding of curry leaves gives extra taste to the Akki roti. Once the dough is ready, just grease it with 1 or 2 tablespoons of refined oil and set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it is done, the dough is ready to make Akki roti. Take a cotton cloth, wet the cloth properly and take a ball-sized dough in your hand and make it. So gently press the dough towards outside. And it should not be very thin, make it a little thick. So once it is done, put it on the tawa. Slowly you should remove the cloth from the edges so that it will not break. Now the delicious Akki roti is ready. So it can be served with the peanut chutney or the coconut chutney. Just put butter on it, it will give a good taste.